Now I add first chart in the pivot table. Active any cell of data table. Click Insert. Click Pivot Chart. Click OK. Active data table sheet. I sum the total number of quantities in stock and total number of quantities are purchased in each month. Active sheet 3. Rename this sheet total stock and purchase. Press Enter key. Drag the stock and purchase fields in the values area and month in axis area. Press mouse and drag to this area. Press mouse and drag to this area. Press mouse and drag to this area. Format these numbers in date format. Click Format Cells. Click Date. Click OK. Right click, hide all fields. Click Chart Elements button. Uncheck Primary Vertical Axis. Uncheck Grid Lines. Place the legend in bottom. Click Design tab. Click Change Chart Type. Click Combo. Select both series in clustered bars. Select this series in clustered bar and select this series in clustered bar. Uncheck secondary axis. Click OK. Double click on chart area. Click Cancel. Select orange color bars. Click Fill button. Select green color. Click blue color bar. Select orange color. Click Series option. Overlap the series 100%. Decrease the gap width 100%. Type 100. Click Chart Element. Check Data Labels. Select Inside Base. Select this bar. Click Inside Base. Then select this bar. Click Inside End or Inside Base. Click Inside End. Select these labels. Click Home tab. Click Bold. Increase the size up to 10. Select black color. Then select these labels. Click Bold. Increase the size up to 10. Select the black color. So first chart is completed. Change the size of chart area and remain as it is.